Hi guys, today we are going to be looking at Git cherry pick and what you could do with Git cherry pick. So traditionally, we know how to do a Git fetch, Git pull, and what this does is it's going to pull the entire branch, and some cases you have to resolve a conflict, merge conflicts, and sometimes you have to rebase to make sure that things work perfectly. But there are often key situations where you want to merge specific commits. For instance, you could have a particular commit that you want to add to your new branch. Say it's a particular feature and you don't want to pull every other thing else from different branches. For instance, you could have a lot of files and you have these specific commits that has a specific feature. It could be, let's say for instance, it could be a software and you have a specific commit that deals with, let's say, the notification button and all that. And you just want to pull that notification button, right? The way you do this is you use the git cherry pick. So for instance, here I have two branches. I'm going to run a git, git branch. So you see again, I have two branches. I have the feature hello with name, and I have the main branch. And currently I'm on the main branch, and that's why it's highlighted green. And this is the feature name. Now, I could do a git log to see my commit hash, right? If I do a git log, I'm going to see all the commits I have for this very let's say projects. So this is one commit hash, and this you're going to see this is the main commit, and you can see the message. This is the initial commit. So this is the commit hash for the main. If I check out to the feature hello with name, you're going to see that's commit hash as well. So I'm going to do git checkout, and I'm going to check out to this. And when I do that, I'm going to clear this and run a git log. And when I run a git log, you're going to see that I see the main and I see this because this feature with name is inherit, like I checked out from the main and I created this. So you're going to see this. But the parent, which is the default, the main doesn't have awareness of this very branch, right? So I want to be able to match this very commits with this very one. So for instance, let's say I add something else, just add something else. I say consider log name, and I want to return the name, but I could say return name right after everything. And if I save this, I'm going to do a git status. Sorry. So I'm going to add that git, let's say add here. I'm going to do git status again. It's added. I'm going to commit it. Return name. And if I do this, now we have different commits, right? So if I do a git, let's see git log, you're going to see I have this one, which is the main, added name to greeting. I have this one here. Sorry, I have this. So I have three commits. The last one is the one we just added, return name. This one is added name to greeting, and this is the first initial commit, right? Now I want to copy this, added name to greeting here, and I want to go back to my main. So I'm going to quit this. Now, if I go back to my main, you're going to see this. Now, we already saw that the feature with name has, this log with name, and it already returns, the name. But I don't care about the return. Let's say I only want to pull a specific commit. The way we could do that is do a git cherry pick, and we call the commit hash, right? And this is going to pull that very commit hash, and you can see it now pulls that commit hash. And why this is very important than traditionally going to copy and paste over here, or whatever other method, is because this carries every other information like the gate's history and everything. And with this, you don't have to do a gate pull and have everything to your system where you have to start removing the unnecessary parts and all that. I use this a lot in cases where I'm working on multiple different, probably multiple different features on a particular project, and I have different branches to manage, and each branch has to maintain a particular state. Recently, I found myself using this very much, and I feel it's a very helpful tool. So I hope this helps you out there in your projects. Okay, bye.